I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna be making fabric flowers. I know probably a couple of people have done these, but I wanted to show y'all with lace and with tulle, and at least 3 ways to do this. Now, I went to Hobby Lobby looking for some lace. Y'all probably have lace. You can find at the thrift store, you can find lace almost anywhere, but I didn't have any. So I went and found this, and it's really wide. So what I did when I experimented, I always gotta try it out. Hey, I'm just gonna kind of cut this in half, and I'm gonna show y'all, like I said, about 3 different ways y'all can do this, okay? So I just cut a strip about that long, and then one of the things that I've seen people do is use these clear and black little bands. They're little elastic bands that you can get at Dollar General, and they're really good to use, except for when I tried to do this on my page, as soon as I put hot glue to it to put on the bling, it melted and my thing fell apart. So that was a happy accident, so that I could tell y'all, if you're gonna be using bling on top of the flowers you make, you might not wanna go with this bet, okay? So the trick that I learned, I've used a little bit of twine, and then also I saw today where somebody took a regular bobby pin. Y'all know bobby pins from back in the day. They took a bobby pin and just started down the long ways. You have to kind of be a little bit patient with this, but it does work pretty easy. All I'm gonna do is work this all the way through the bobby pin. It takes a little bit of patience, but it doesn't take too long. So what you wanna do is just separate it out, okay? And run your twine or whatever you wanna use. I'm gonna use twine. Y'all, wedding season is upon us, and these are gonna be great to do for all kinds of projects. You can put them on napkin rings. You can use them for the bridesmaids, for the little flower girls, all kinds of ideas. So I'm just gonna tie this twice, make a little knot, slip this little bobby pin right out of there, okay? That easy. And look, we've got the cutest little flower. Can y'all see that? Now you can keep this part on so that you can, so that you can tie it onto something, or you can just, you know, do whatever you want to. But that way, there's not much to it. Once it's cinched like that, it's done. So this is gonna be probably the easiest. Now we're gonna put a cute little, not cute, pretty piece of Totally Dazzled. I like this one with the pearl. I'm gonna have to cut the little, some of them come with a little place you can run chain through or ribbon through. So I'm just gonna cut that away with a pair of wire cutters, and then we can go ahead and glue this on. Cut this away. How cute is that? So pretty. Nobody would know how quickly you made that using a bobby pin. My idea was, how cute. Now I made another one here that's a little bit bigger. So let me show you with a really pretty piece of bling here. Let me get this going so y'all can see. This one right here is really shabby chic, and I'll show y'all how to do that as well. You can get these bands at Hobby Lobby, like 2 for $1. And y'all, look how cute this would be for a little girl, for Easter morning, for a wedding. Isn't that adorable? It's just really shabby. You could even layer it if you want. If it's more of a wedding that's rustic, you can put a little bit of burlap with that. I just thought that was so pretty. Can y'all see that piece there? Okay, so we're gonna take a piece of lace and we're gonna fold it over. That's not gonna go enough times. So let me cut a longer one. You need to go about 4 or 5 times around your hand. And let's see if we can do this time. That's 1, 2. Get your thumb out of there. 3, 4. Let's see if that makes enough. Now, what you want to do is take your twine. You'll have a little bundle here, and you're going to cinch it right in the middle where it looks like you have a little bow tie, okay? That's what you want to tie off. Cute too, that you could do if you want to leave it that way and then add your piece of bling in the middle. That would be beautiful too, to put on one of those little headbands. But we're going to be doing the flowers tonight. Okay, now what I want to do is take each end and just cut right through that. It's messy in here, I've got stuff everywhere. And then what I saw someone do is literally they just kind of started cutting into the lace. No rhyme or reason, because it's like shabby. Okay, so what I was saying is you can just cut this on the ends to just kind of tatter it, if that's the word you want to use. And then just start spreading it out. And of course, the more times you do around the hand, like I think I only did 4 or 5 times, but the more you go around, the thicker flower you're gonna get. And that's where I came up with this beautiful kind of shabby chic look that I was showing y'all earlier. And then you can put your beautiful bling in the middle, okay? So that was that way. So you can do it with a bobby pin, you can do it with the twine, you can do it with the rubber band, although I don't know if you're gonna be gluing bling on there, it'll probably melt it. So I just wanna give y'all a heads up on that. So that's all you do is you just separate this out. You'll just cut the strips and line them up. Same thing, make a little bow tie out of the middle. And then let's see, look at this. Look at that with the tulle. I love tulle. If y'all ever follow me on my page, I use tulle a lot. So this is the ideas for the sweet little flowers. And then let's see what this would look like for like a little, oh, how cute. Now that's a little more out there. I like probably the softer look better. This one right here that's glued on. That's pretty. So this is a cute idea. This is just a regular little frame that I found. It looks very rustic. And this is something that I saw. I didn't make it up, but it was so cute. We're gonna take the glass out of this. And I'm just gonna give y'all that there. I'll show y'all right quick. Now, what I thought would be really cute is I've got some of this, I don't know if y'all seen these scrapbook of the burlap. That's all it is just scrapbook paper and burlap. And that's what I want to use. But if you want to use something pretty like a piece of scrapbook paper, that would look good too with this frame. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out and back this with burlap. So we're going to glue this backing or onto the backing. And then also, if you don't have any of this and you don't have any lace, you can go to Hobby Lobby and buy the lace already on the burlap. They have it in the wedding section. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this lace, you know, we cut it earlier in half. It's really rather wide. So I'm gonna take, it's actually wider than what we need, but I'm gonna take a piece and we're gonna put it on the front of this. And we're gonna make, all right, I'm gonna put this back in its little slot here. Now it is a little bit thicker than it was because we took all that out and added some stuff. So we'll just do it the best we can. We kept the glass out because the idea is you want to get the, you need the lace on the front. Okay, you guys, we got our lace on here. And if it puckers on you like it did with me, I just got my little face mask thing that we all use for the hot glue, and I just kind of tucked it up under there. So that's what we have so far. Just a piece of framed lace with some burlap. Then we're going to take one of these beautiful, I think I'll do the shabby chic one. I was going to do this with the pearl, but I kind of like this flower that's shabby chic. It's kind of crazy. So we're gonna glue it right over in the corner, y'all. So far, you can use them on lampshades. You can use them on, like I said, the headband, these, you know, a regular picture frame, maybe with the couple's picture in it. But what I wanted to show you is what this is for while we put lace on it. Get a pair of earrings here. Oh, it's an earring holder. It's perfect for earrings. You can use a bigger frame if you want, but it sticks in there because it's lace. Need to put it down in there better. See? It just goes in the little holes there. I thought that was so cute. Make this for your sweet nieces or daughters and granddaughters, maybe for a wedding party, for Easter. If you want something like that tulle that's kind of crazy, it's a little bit wild for me. Like how precious that is. Everybody think you spent a lot of money on that. You could wrap this too if you wanted to.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.